Taki taki rumba. Taki 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 rumba. Taki 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 rumba. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, thank you and welcome to my channel. Today being another pretty day, I'm showing you the turkeys that we are having by here. You can see we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 turkeys here, of which 7 are male and 6 are 7 are male and 1 is the female. Turkeys are here. They are good for security and anything that concerns that. You can see they are very aggressive. This one go fight me, oh. This one go fight me, oh. This one go beat me, oh. Oh my God. I don't want problem. I just came by peace, guys. Don't beat me, guys. I don't want peace. I don't want problem. I want peace. You don't look at my size and beat me, ready? As I was saying, their multiplication is very high, and she's having around 300 birds inside here, as you can see. So some of them are just staying on the patches, while the others just roam around. They fit themselves inside these groups so that they can be able to fit inside. Look, I want to show you one of the. This is the male. This one you see here. This is the male dove. It's white in color, but the tail has some blackish spots on it. It's a good one. We also have the black ones, the gray ones, and different colors are there inside. Yeah, you see, like this one. This one is gray, mixed black, and all the colors are there. The doves make your environment very beautiful. Yeah, that's what I love about them. I also planned to buy 2 of them to start my own project on my side, so that I can show you how quick these doves multiply. Thank you guys for continuing watching my video. Please give a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel, because hot content is coming, guys. I appreciate for the far you have taken me. You guys have been of good help to me, and I'm going to start giving good content, because I'm just guy that I did agriculture. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, thank you and welcome to my channel. I love you guys. Behind me you can see the doves by here, and this is what we are doing here, ladies and gentlemen. You can see them by here. All these are doves. This one, you see them? This is what is being done here. You understand? Okay. We also have these ones. You can see them by here. These are the doves. Okay. There are too many of them here. You get to see them. Those are the doves that we are having here. You understand? You can see them. You can see here in this cube. You see these ones there. I have around 400 doves by here. Okay guys, let me flip the camera so that you can see more and more, guys.